If you've been on Twitter, Facebook, or any corner of the internet recently, chances are you must have come across NFTs at least once. NFT stands for non-fungible token. The non-fungible part means unique and non-replaceable. No swapping like for like, investment in non-fungible tokens NFTs has grown so aggressively since 2020 from $13.7 million in sales the first half of 2020 to $2.5 billion in the first half of 2021 that it may make you wonder how they become so popular and why some investors are willing to spend thousands or even millions on a single NFT. But are NFTs worth the money or the hype? In this video, we're going to discuss what are NFTs, what's the top NFTs to look for, and best NFT trading strategy. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. An NFT is a digital asset that represents real-world objects like art, music, in-game items, and videos. They're bought and sold online, frequently with cryptocurrency, and they're generally encoded with the same underlying software as many cryptos. NFTs make a lot of sense when used for selling digital art. A digital image can be sold as an NFT, much as you would sell a physical painting, allowing you to own the original version, and the artist continues to benefit every time the NFT is resold. These pixelated digital assets have generated a lot of sparking conversation around them, especially when some are priced at ridiculous valuations. For example, the Nyan Cat Pop-Tart meme sold for 300 Ether, approximately $600,000 in February 2021. Much of the current market for NFTs is centered around collectibles such as digital artwork, sports cards, and rarities. Perhaps the most hyped space is NBA Top Shot, a place to collect non-fungible tokenized NBA moments in a digital card form. Some of these cards have sold for millions of dollars. NFT space is one of the fastest growing niches in crypto and has huge potential ranging from digital kittens to complex financial products. There's always a chance that a tech frenzy is a passing fad or stoking a speculative bubble. If you spend a pretty penny on an NFT and then enthusiasm and values suddenly plummet, you could be in for a big loss. But NFT backers say the system's built-in scarcity should keep values up as long as the surge of interest persists. Be cautious about works that appear to be created by famous artists. NFTs resembling pieces by the artist Banksy have netted $900,000, but they've turned out to be faked. Then there's the environmental impact of NFTs, which has attracted real scrutiny. The computing power required to operate the underlying blockchain system of NFTs is immense. By some estimates, one crypto transaction could gobble up more power than the average US household uses in a single day. In 2022, here are a few top NFTs projects to remember. Human 1. Winkleman struck gold with his art once again in November with Human 1, a hybrid physical and digital artwork. It was described as a kinetic video sculpture and consists of 4 video screens on polished aluminum metal, a mahogany wood frame, and dual media servers. The piece, which has an accompanying token, was sold for $28.9 million. The auction house described Winkleman as among the top 3 most valuable living artists. Beeple's Crossroad. Artwork by Beeple, which is the second most prolific NFT artist after Pac, had sold over $175.5 million. Crossroad sold for $6.6 million back on February 25th. This NFT might be the most political artwork created by Beeple as it depicts anti-Trump imagery at a time when American politics were especially tense. The piece was originally sold by Nifty Gateway during the 2020 presidential election before being auctioned by Christie's months later. The NFT was dynamic in nature as the video contained was decided by the result of the elections, with the pre-election video being used as a placeholder before them. CryptoPunk. The CryptoPunks is one of the earliest examples of an NFT. Launched in June 2017 by Larva Labs, the CryptoPunks are now commonly credited as being the first major NFT project. The CryptoPunks is a collection of 10,000 uniquely generated pixel characters with proof of ownership stored on the Ethereum blockchain. Since no two CryptoPunks are alike, their scarcity has increased the price, with the average CryptoPunk selling for between $350,000 and $500,000 and some selling for millions. Every Day's The First 5,000 Days. This artwork by Mike Winkleman, who goes by the professional name of Beeple, was the record holder for the most expensive NFT prior to the merge. The artwork depicts the work Beeple started back in 2017 when he set to create a new digital picture every day for 5,000 straight, which were then combined into the Every Day's The First 5,000 Days. The piece was auctioned by Christie's back on March 11th, holding the record for most expensive NFT until December 2021. Being the most important contributor to the $7.1 billion in sales collected by the prestigious auction house, the highest in the last 5 years. Using the right NFT trading strategy is important for anyone who wants to succeed in the market. NFTs are creating fireworks in the digital space. Currently, it's quite challenging to find a person who is yet to hear about the sector. Since the new market's popularity is significantly big, NFTs are now being bought and sold by many people in the digital community. As an investment, the NFTs are a safe way to gain some profits, but the profit that you get is dependent on the longevity of the asset and luck. In general, it has been proven to be a great investment so far. In most cases, NFT investments are safe and secure and come with a plethora of investment strategies. The advanced technology trades digital art and manages to secure its ownership in the blockchain network. The experience to secure ownership is the main reason why the digital audiences buy and sell various digital artworks as non-fungible tokens. By considering the benefits that come with NFT investments, many experts believe that investing in digital artwork is an ideal move. Digital artworks are pioneers of NFTs, and they have now become the most popular in the existing markets. Non-fungible tokens are available in a wide variety, which makes investing in them a great move for the investors. Purchasing an NFT artwork or acquiring many artworks from the same collection enables investors to sell them later when the market value of the assets increases. Non-fungible tokens are still gaining popularity, and chances are they will continue to exist for as long as possible. With this in mind, we're going to discuss the most important part of the video, and this is the best NFT trading strategy. It may be wise to buy NFTs at their floor price. Floor prices in the NFT market represent the lowest price of a non-fungible token with a given category. Although it's not advisable to purchase the NFT only because it has a low price, you should opt for a project based on a category of interest to you. For instance, you may choose rare NFTs over others and select a token with a floor price within that category. Now we're going to discuss the most important part of the video, and this is the best NFT trading strategy. Buying the floor is a good trading strategy that positions you for enormous growth should the token become more popular in the future. In simple terms, buying the floors helps you secure an early seat in the token's journey to higher growth. It doesn't matter whether you're new to NFTs, you can easily determine if the market is still a hot niche by checking its Google Trend. The Google Trend is used to measure public opinion toward a particular topic or keyword, and searches for the word are scaled in a range of 0 to 100. When the rating is high, it indicates that many people are getting involved with NFT collectibles, and it indirectly signifies a good buy time. However, when the search for NFT-related keywords is low, it means you'll need to tread carefully as fewer people are showing interest in the market. When doing short-term NFT flipping, the best trades can come from finding underpriced NFTs. This strategy doesn't rely on an upward market trend, working even when demand is relatively flat. When looking through marketplace listings for underpriced NFTs, you'll want to find ones listed for cheaper than previous sales, not just NFTs that are listed at a price well below other sellers. For example, many traders might look at an NFT with 10 copies where one is listed for $100 and the rest are listed for $500 and decide that $100 is a good deal. But what they may miss here is that the previous sales for the NFT are only around $20, making the $100 listing overpriced rather than underpriced. Don't judge value solely on listing prices. The exception to factor in this way, market prices have moved since previous sales. If the overall market for a project has improved since the last sale, then you can usually infer that the value of the NFT is now higher. NFTs are the epitome of digital success at the current time. It has now proven to be a great platform for investment, and it's expected to reach massive heights in the future. With the prowess of NFT and blockchain, the digital space is secured and has changed into an ideal investment platform for digital and crypto entrepreneurs and enthusiasts. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.